স্যার কালকের যে লাস্ট কোশ্চেনটা ছিল ওখানে তো স্যার 3টে NAND গেট অ্যান্সার বেরোলো। স্যার কিন্তু স্যার ওই এ বারটা করতেও তো একটা NAND গেট লাগবে স্যার, ওটা MCQ টাইপে এলে ওটা কি হবে, 3 হবে অ্যান্সার না 4?
Here there is no possible grouping of 16 cells. Then there is no possibility for 8 cells. But with 4 cells, there are 2 possibilities. Okay, then we have to go for pairs. These are the PIs available, and if you check, it will be number of PIs will be 7. Now, out of which some of you have asked that what are the essential PIs? Now, as per definition, the essential PIs are those PIs which include at least one such cell which is not covered by any other PI. So, due to this particular one, this one is covered only by this cell, this PI, isn't it? This particular one, this is covered only by this PI.
Yes, sir.
So that has to be one essential PI. Similarly, due to this particular cell, this PI must be another essential one, because if you do not include that particular PI, you will be unable to include this particular one. So that has got to be another essential PI. Now, is there any other essential PI?
No, sir.
So the number of essential PIs are
2.
And the other PIs, they must be non-essential PIs. So how many other PIs are there? Total
5.
PIs is 7. So the number of non-essential PIs must be 5. That's all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
A doubt আছে? Fine. What was that last? What did you say? What was the question?
স্যার এটা যদি MCQ টাইপের কোশ্চেন আসে ওখানে স্যার নাম্বার অফ NAND গেটস 3 হবে, 3 লিখবো না 4 করবো?
No, that depends upon the question. The question, if it says that all the input variables are available in both complementary and uncomplemented form, then the answer is 3. Others, the answer has to be 4. If that statement is not given, you have to assume that the number of NAND gates required is 4.
Okay, sir.
But that I don't think they will keep that as in that confusion level. They will clearly mention that.
Okay, sir.
Sir, in the last question, number of EPIs where I just Missed that part.
This one. This one are you talking about?
Number of APIs.
Yeah, are you talking about this example?
Yes, sir.
What is the number of APIs?
Sir,
How
three.
many PIs are there? How many PIs are there?
Sir, three only.
So and now tell me how many APIs are there?
Sir, all are APIs.
That's all CN API.
Okay, okay, sir. That only I had to confirm on.
Now try this example. Realize the minimized SOP representation of the function, and the function is given as f is equal to summation of min terms 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13. You do it yourself, and then I'll try.
স্যার ট্রাই করতে পারি?
Yeah, try করতে দিয়েছি তো।
স্যার 440
Function
a c complement
1 minute. A C complement
plus a complement b d plus a complement c d plus a b complement d.
Anybody else? Anybody else is ready with the answer?
এক সেকেন্ড স্যার
Okay. এক সেকেন্ড হয়ে গেল।
Sir, 615.
Function.
A C bar B bar plus B bar C D plus A bar B D.
Anything else?
No, sir.
Okay, let me try it. অর্ণব তোমার কি হলো?
স্যার আপনি করুন আমি করছি খাতা পাচ্ছিলাম না স্যার করছি।
Sir, can I say?
হ্যাঁ, শিওর।
Sir, A C complement.
এক মিনিট, আর একটা অন্য একটা মিনিট। না, আগে পিআই এনি পিআই বলো। নাম্বার অফ পিআইস? What is the number of PIs? Okay, sure.
Hello, sir. Last আমি যে অ্যান্সারটা বললাম না ওইটা A C bar B barটা হবে এটা শুধু A C bar
কোনটা?
মানে ইয়েলো অ্যান্সারটা
হ্যাঁ,
ওটার এই ফার্স্ট টার্মটা A C হ্যাঁ
okay, let me try it. Let me first map the truth table onto the convert. I can assume this is my truth table. Because here the input combination for which the output required output is 1, that is given. That means by default the other input combinations will provide logic 0 output. So, and as we are required to minimize in we are required to obtain the minimized SOP representation, we will only map the ones. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's the map. Is it telling with what you have done?
yes sir.
Fine.
Yes.
Then let us go for the group formation. There is no possibility of forming a group of 16 cells, nor with 8 cells, but with 4 cells there is a possibility. I don't think there is any other possibility for 4 cells. So quad is over. Now we shall go for the pairs. For the pairs, I have this is one possibility. This is one possibility. This is one possibility. This is one possibility. And this is another possibility. Okay. So how many PIs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or 6. 1, 2,
6
6.
So number of PIs is 6. Now, how many essential PIs are there?
1.
Only one. That is due to this one and this one. This particular PI has got to be the essential PI. So in my function, that EPI must be included. So the corresponding product term will be B is changing state, so that will be eliminated. D is changing state, that will also get eliminated. A is remaining as 1, so A. C is remaining as 0, that means C bar, A C bar. Okay, so কোন চারটে নেওয়া হয়ে গেল? How many are yet to be covered? 4. 4 cells are yet to be covered. So for that, you have to take a judicious choice from among the non-essential PIs. Now, judicious choice should be, will target those non-essential PIs which are covering two uncovered cells or two unincluded cells. So for that, this is one such NAPI and this is the other NAPI. Okay. So, and if you include those two, then all these four gets included. So the function now becomes, for here, this is A bar BD plus B bar CD. Okay. Can you follow this logic?
Yes, sir.
Fine. If nothing else is mentioned, if it is represented as summation of min terms form, you have to go for the SOP minimization. So do it now.
Sir, PI 1 plus 4.
এটা বলছো তো? and function.
No, sir. 4 quad and sorry,
Oh.
1 quad and 4 pair, and EPI
No,
2
no,
and
how
NEPI 3.
PI is it?
PI is 5 total.
EPI?
Sir, EPI 1, 2, 3. So EPI 4. NEPI 1.
Sir, 7 PIs.
EPI?
APIs were 1. And
NPI has to be 6.
Sir, 707.
716, sir.
716.
Let me check. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is the RAM. There is no group of 16, no group of 8, group of 4, yes. Is there any other group of 4?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Go for the pairs. Okay. So how many? 1 is quad and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. I think this is the answer. All 6 pairs are non-essential and only the quad is the essential one. Is it not so?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So in the function, I must have to include the essential PI. And what product term comes from that essential PI? And, A.
ED.
AD.
So these 4 are now included. Then the judicious choice, let me go for this one. Because this includes 2 yet to be covered ones. So that constitutes
BC bar D bar.
B bigger. So these 2 are now included. Then, in fact, this has a lot of possible solutions. Then you can go for this.
A bar, C, D
D
bar.
bar C D bar.
That will lead to A bar, C, D bar. And for this one, you can go for either this or this. So if I go for this, that
A,
will
B
be
bar, C.
B bar C. If I go for this one, that will be something else. So that will be in that case B bar C D bar. Is it not? So that case, this will be A D plus B C bar D bar plus A bar C D bar plus B bar C D bar. That is another possibility. And I could have gone for this, then this, and then this. So that will also taking considering only 3 pairs, and thereby it is covering all the other cells which are yet to be covered by the quad. So that is another possible solution. So likewise, you will find that this particular problem has got, I think that that will be having more than 4 or 5 solutions will be there. So any one there, provided that is correct. If you come out with any one of those possible solutions, that is enough. But you have to be careful that that solution must be one correct solution. That's all. Okay, that there are a lot of possibilities for the solution. Is that clear or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let us go for some other example. You have to realize this function using a minimum number of NOR gates. So basically, in which format you have to realize the minimized expression for the given function?
POS.
POS. So that means you have to map zeros or ones.
Zeros.
Zeros.
Yeah, you have to map only the zeros. Try to do it.
So 440.
I do not know. I have to do it and check. Let me see others' responses.
440.
Okay.
440.
Then let me go for the try.
Sir, 2 minutes.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I think this is the map. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Now, there is no possible group of 16 cells, nor any possibility of group of 8 cells. With 4 cells, there are possibilities. This is one possibility. This is another possibility. Okay. I don't think there is any other possible group of quads. Is there? No. Then pairs. This is one pair, and this is the other pair. And no other pairs also. Hope I am correct. It's matching with your answers. Is it matching with your answers?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So there are how many PIs? 2 quads and 2 pairs. That is 4. Fine. And all of them are essential. All of them are essential PIs. So this is correct. So the function should be very simple. First, let me go for this quad. So what will be the sum term corresponding to that? What should be the resulting sum term from that quad? This quad.
B bar.
No.
B bar D bar.
No.
Plus.
B
Sir,
plus D.
B plus
B plus D. But if a zero in the sum term, if a zero comes, that that variable.
Oh, so
is-
sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Complementation. So this is B plus D. Then let me go for this one.
A plus D.
That is A plus yeah. Then let me go for this. What is that?
A plus B bar plus C.
Yeah. And finally, the other one is your A bar plus B plus C bar. So this will be one unique answer. Okay. Hope this is clear to everybody. But is it the final answer?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Because what I have to do now?
no, sir.
Double complementation. No, this is your final answer. Okay. This one I will do. How many input variables are here?
5.
Fine. So we have to take help of two 4 input variable counting maps. One for a is equal to 0, the other for a is equal to 1. Hope you remember that.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Definitely the min terms 4 to 15 that will lie within this particular map. The min terms 0 to 15, they should lie within this map. And the min terms 16 to 31, they will lie within this map. Is it not so?
Yes, sir.
As a is 0, 0 to 15 will be here, and as a is 1 here, 16 to 31 will lie in this second map. Now here, let me go for the actual mapping. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 31. So thirty, 31. Okay. আমি 1 মিনিট একটু বাইরে থেকে আসছি, একটু জাস্ট আমাকে 2 মিনিট সময় দাও। Okay, is the map clear to all of you, or should I repeat it? How have I mapped it? Is it clear to you?
Sir, your
Yes,
voice
sir.
is a little distorted, sir.
The problem is one phone call came, and that's why I'm unable to hear your voice. I'll just disconnect and
Now
reconnect
it's
again.
okay, sir. So now it's okay.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
The way I have mapped it, is it clear to you all, or should I have to repeat it again?
Clear,
It's
sir.
clear, sir.
Fine. Then I have to go for the actual group formation, that means PI formation. Is there any possibility of forming a group of 32 cells?
No, sir.
Then 16 cells?
No, sir.
Then 8 cells?
Yes, sir.
This is a group of 8 cells. Is there any other group of 8 cells possible? Is there any other group of 8 cells possible?
No, sir.
Then quads. Octet হয়ে গেল, next you have to go for the quads. So this is one possibility.
And sir, the vertical one.
Yeah. No. The thing is that this A is equal to 1. You can just as if you can slide it over this A is equal to 0 map. So in that case, these two cells and these two cells and these two cells, they will be one above the other one. So they will form a quad. Another possibility. These 4 cells. Is there any other possibility of forming a quad?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Is there any other quad possible? I am not finding.
No, sir.
Then I have to are all the ones covered?
No,
No,
sir,
sir.
one remaining in the first.
Yeah. Either this or this. Is the PI formation clear?
Yes, sir.
How many PIs are there?
So 6.
Yeah.
6, sir.
Essential. 1, 2.
2,
Only 1.
1, 1, 1, 1.
2 actually.
This octet and this quad. Is not so?
Yes, sir.
And then 4 NEPIs. So the function has to include the essential PIs. So if I go for that octet, octet, what will be the function? A gets eliminated, A is changing state, that gets eliminated, C changes state, B is unchanged as 1, and E is unchanged as 1. That's BE, I think. Am I correct? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, for that other essential PI, once again, there also A is changing state, and A is changing state, and D is changing state. B is available as 0, so B1. C is available as 1, that is C, and E is available as 0. Okay, fine. How many are yet to be covered? 2 are yet to be covered. So for this, rather 3 are yet to be covered. To include that, I can go for either this or this. So once again, two possibilities for inclusion of this one and this one. So let me go for the vertical one. So there once again, A is changing state, E is changing state, B is available as 0. So B bar, C as 1 and D as 0. And for this last one, I can go for either this or this. Once again, two more possibilities. That means altogether 4 possible answers will be there. A bar, B, C, D. This is one possible answer. There will be altogether 4 possible answers. Is this clear? If anybody is having any sorts of doubt, please tell me now itself.
Sir, please explain the last term.
Yeah.
The A complement B, C, D, that term.
This one. Fine. Let me go for some other colors. This one is yet to be covered. The all other ones have been covered. So to cover this one, I can go for either this or this. There are 2 possible pairs to cover this particular one. So if I take this pair, so there your A is 0. There is A bar. B is available as 1. C is available as 1. So BC. And D is available as 1. So A bar, B, C, D. Had I gone for this one, in that case, in place of this, it would have been A bar. Then B is changing state. So C, D, E bar. So either you can go for this or you can go for this. Similarly, instead of these, I could have gone for this. So that means there it will be C, D bar, E. So these are the 4 possible answers. B, E, B bar, C, E bar. These 2 are coming from the essential PIs. That means they will be common. And these 4s are coming from the non-essential PIs. So either I have to go for this combination, that means this or this, plus this or this. So that means there are 4 possible answers. Clear? You are having still some doubt.
Yes, sir.
Fine. You have to realize the minimized SOP representation of the given function. You have to realize the minimized SOP representation of the given function. Is the given function in SOP format or POS format?
Sir, SOP.
SOP. So, and as per the question, it seems that this SOP representation is not the minimized representation. And even if it is in minimized representation, you have to prove it. Rather, from this given SOP representation, you should try to find out what should be the actual minimized SOP representation of the given function. The function given here, is it in SOP or POS?
SOP only, sir.
SOP only. So in this by the way, the given function, if it is represented as the summation of min terms such and such and such, is that in canonical form, canonical SOP or non-canonical SOP?
Canonical.
It is canonical because it is summation of the min terms, and every min term will consist of all possible input variables. So this expression is nothing but one canonical SOP expression. But this one, is it in canonical SOP?
No, sir.
So we should try to find out the canonical SOP representation of the given function first. So many of you, what normally do is, or in many books, what you will find is this A bar B bar C. With that, they multiplies D plus D bar, and that leads to A bar B bar C D plus A bar B bar C D bar. So this way, for every product term, they try to find out the corresponding canonical expression. But I won't suggest that, because that will be time consuming. So what I'll do is, straight away you go for the mapping. Now the product term A bar B bar C, how many cells in the Carnot map are expected to be occupied by 1 due to this product term?
2.
2.
Where the contribution of A coordinate wise, A should be 0, B should be 0, C should be
1.
1. And what is the other variable left?
D.
D. So D can be as D is not included in this expression, D can be of any value, either 0 or 1. So those are the two cell coordinates 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1, 1, where the contribution from this product term will be 1. So 0, 0, 1, 0. So here, and 0, 0, 1, 1 here. So these two are those cells which gets occupied by logic 1 due to this product term. Is it clear? Let me go for the second exam, second product term, and then it will be clear. For this one, what should be the coordinate of the cells which will occupy logic 1 value? A should be
0.
B should be 1. C can be 0 or 1.
C can be of any value, but D has to be 1. So let me find out that. Now this A bar B, that means A0 B1, A0 B1 is along this column. A0 B1 is along this column. There you try to find out in which cells D is 1. What are those two cells? This one and this one. Clear? or should I do it again?
No, sir.
Fine. Then A bar B is C bar. Once in the same column, A0 B1. There C, I have to find out where in which position C is 0. C is 0 in these two positions. So this should be 1 and this one is already present. Then BC D bar. BC D bar means A can be of any value, B must be 1, C 1, D is 0. C1, D0 is here. C1, D0 is here. There B must be of value 1. So that is nothing but these two cells. Now go for the other three. হলো বাকি তিনটে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
এবার আমি দেখে নিই। A B D bar. That means A B must be 1 1. So along this column. So there D should be 0. So that means here and here. This last one is already present. Then B bar C D. That means along this row C D must be both 1 1. So there B should be 0. So 1 0 is here and the other B0 is here. Then A B bar C D bar. That means 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. So this one. Is it matching with your answer?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Then go for the group formation.
The 4-3-1.
So that's the answer. I'm going for the next example. Is there any doubt in this example? করে ফেলো।
স্যার লাস্টটাতে একটা ডাউট আছে।
বলো।
স্যার একদম নিচে যে চারটে ওয়ান আছে এগুলোকে তো কোয়াড না ধরলেও চলতো, ওইগুলো অলরেডি
You're right. You're absolutely right. You are absolutely right. I missed that. দাঁড়াও। In that case, there will be only two EPIs. Is it not? Yeah, there will be only two EPIs. One is this fellow, due to this one, and the other one is this fellow, due to this one. These are the only two EPIs.
স্যার 3 হবে।
আরেকটা আছে তো,
ওই ওপর নিচ যেটা।
উপরেরটা,
উপর নিচ যেটা
উপরে আর নিচেরটা।
Yeah, due to this one. And by including the three EPIs, all the ones are getting covered. And answer ঠিকই আছে, কিন্তু PI, EPI, NEPI সেখানে একটু ভুল করেছি। Thank you. মুভ করছি। If nothing else is specified, then we have to realize this in a minimized POS format itself. So go for that.
Sir, 550.
আমি করে দেখে নিই 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So here there is no possibility of any group of 16, group of 8, group of 4. No, there is no group of 4. Then pair. One pair. And 2 units. I think that's all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 5 PIs and 5 essential PIs. So the function will be straightforward. There will be one only unique answer. And the corresponding answer is for this one, A bar plus C plus D. Then A plus C plus D bar. ভুল হলে বলো প্লিজ। Then A bar plus B bar plus D. Then use below A bar plus B plus C bar plus D bar and I think this is the answer. You please verify it.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Say I have to design one combinational logic where the number of input variables is 4 and they are named as A, B, C, D, and it has to produce only a single output and that is being named as F. Now, given the problem description for this combinational logic, it may so happen that it may become apparent that by the way, how many input combinations are possible? How many 16 input combinations are from starting from 0 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 1. Now, from the given problem description, it may become apparent that out of those 16 possible input combinations, some input combinations are guaranteed to be absent. That is, some input combinations will never occur. Let's take one example. Let the input description or the function requirement description, they specify that the 0 0 0 0 and 1 1 1 1, these two input combinations will never arise. That means of A, B, C, D, at least one will be 0 and at least one will be 1. So all 0 and all 1 situation will never arise. I do not know what that combinational logic will be or what that input description is, but let us take one example, one hypothetical example where it is given that the 0 0 0 0 and 1 1 1 1, these two input combinations will never be present in the circuit at the input side. So that means as those two input combinations are guaranteed to be absent, we should not be bothered about the output requirement for those two input combinations. Is it not so? As those two input combinations are guaranteed to be absent. So while designing the circuit, are we bothered about those two input combinations? Yes or no?
No, sir.
So that means, while designing one combination logic, what is the starting point? While
Truth
designing
table.
truth
Truth
table,
table.
Truth table.
in the truth table, how many columns will be here?
14.
How many columns? How many columns will be there?
4.
5, sir.
5.
5. Why 5? 4 for the 4 input lines and 1 for the output line, or the 4 for the 4 input variables and 1 for the output variable. So A, B, C, D and F. These are the 5 input columns. But in the truth table, by definition, what is the truth table? Truth table specifies for all input combinations the required output. Now, given n input bits, how many input combinations are there?
2 to the power of n.
2 to the power of n. So here, what is the value of n?
4.
4. So how many input combinations will be there?
16.
16. So the truth table must have 5 columns and 16 rows. But out of those 16 rows, in 2 rows, where the input combinations are 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1, 1, 1, 1, the output does not matter. Because it is guaranteed that those 2 input combinations will be permanently absent at the input side. Now, what is the truth table? The truth table specifies the output for all possible input combinations. All possible input combinations means given n number of input variables, there should be 2 to the power n number of input combinations. For all 2 to the power input combination, what is the required output? That must have to be specified without any ambiguity in the truth table. Now, here in this specific example, where it has been, where you have been told, or we have been told that out of those possible 16 input combinations, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1, 1, 1, 1 will never arise. But remember, in the truth table, those 2 input combinations should also remain present, because by definition, truth table must contain all input combinations. But from the problem description, it is apparent that out of those 16 input combinations, 2 input combinations will never arise at the input side. So, is the designer, whoever is designing the corresponding combination logic circuit, is he at all bothered about the output for those 2 input combinations?
No, sir.
Does he care for those 2 for the output for those 2 input combinations?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So that means the output requirement which has to be specified in the truth table for those 2 input combination really does not matter. If I make it 0, that will also not matter. If I consider that to be 1, that will also not matter, because that input combination itself will be absent. So what the designer thinks about the corresponding output does not really matter at all. Later the designer assuming that to be 0, let the designer assume that to be 1, does not matter, because those 2 input combinations themselves will never arise. So who bothers for the corresponding output? So in the truth table, that is specifically given one name for that corresponding output, that is the D output or don't care output. Because the designer really does not care about the output for those input combinations which are guaranteed to be absent. So in the truth table, while creating the truth table from the problem description, for those 2 input combinations, the designer will specify a D term instead of 0 or 1 as the required output. In some space, in some books, you will find that they are specifying as X. In some places, you will find that that is being specified as simply dash. But this is the most common one. Okay. Now, let me go for one example where this combination logic should be one prime BCD digit detector. I repeat, you have to design one combination logic which is nothing but one. That means whenever the input BCD digit is a prime, the output will be 1, otherwise the output will be 0. That's your requirement. So how many input lines will be there in that corresponding function? How many input lines should be there in the corresponding function? What is your input? You tell me, what is your input?
Sir, that would depend on the number of bits we're specifying, right?
No. Everything is specified here. Prime BCD digit detector. How many digits are there at the input? What are the possible digits?
16, sir.
What are the possible digits?
0 to 15.
No.
So 0 আর 1 হবে না।
What are the possible digits? What do you mean by digit?
Sir, ABCD.
No. ABCD digit. They're alphabets.
0 to 9. Yes, sir.
0 to 9. 0 to 9. So how many digits are there? 10 digits. 0 to 9. So if what is the input of this combination logic? If I tell you that the requirement is to design one prime BCD digit detector. So what is the input?
One single digit.
One single digit. So how many bits will be there in that digit?
4.
4.
4.
So how many input lines should be there?
4.
4. So in this is one combination logic where the number of input lines is, this is one, the requirement is to design a combination logic where the number of input lines is
4.
4. How many outputs are there?
1.
1. Oh, what will be the output requirement? When will the output be 1?
So
Prime number.
When the input digit is
prime.
prime. Otherwise the output will be 0. That's the requirement. So that problem requirement you have understood. Now what is the next step before designing?
Truth table.
Truth table. So you have to form the truth table. So let me go for that. Now tell me what will be the output for 0, 0, 0, 0.
Zero, sir.
0,
Then 0, 0, 0, 1,
0,
0,
0, 0, 1, 0.
1,
1,
Then
1,
then
0,
then
1,
then
0,
and all
0.
then
1,
then
0, 0.
then
So then it is 10.
that means
0.
1, 0, 1, 0. Will this input combination be ever available at the input side?
No, sir.
And what about 1, 1, 1, 1?
No, sir.
What about 1, 1, 1, 1? Will that be available? Will that be ever available at the input side?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So rather, these 6 input combinations, ছোটাই তো নাকি? হ্যাঁ ছোটাই, হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে. These 6 input combinations will never arise at input side. So what should I say about the output?
Don't care.
So they should don't care. The designer does not care about the corresponding output. So they are the don't care terms. Okay. So this is your truth table. Now I have to map it onto a proper Carnot map. What is the proper Carnot map? How many input variables should be there in the proper in that Carnot map?
4.
If you do it parallelly in your paper, then you'll learn better. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10. Now, from 10 to 15, the corresponding required output is D. So you, while mapping onto the Carnot map, will map. If you are going for a minimized SOP representation, while mapping onto the Carnot map, will map the cells where I have 1 output and the cells where I have D output. Why? That I'll come next. But if we are going for realizing the function in minimized POS format, then there will be mapping the zeros and the don't care terms. We won't map the ones. Similarly here, as by default, if nothing else is specified, we will be going for the minimized SOP representation. So we'll be mapping ones and the Ds. So the Ds are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now, does it really matter whether I consider the D term to be a 0 or 1?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
It doesn't matter. Because those input bits, those input combinations will never arise at all. So it really does not matter whether the designer ultimately considers the D term to be a 0 term or a 1 term. So now how these D terms may become useful? They may become useful. I am emphasizing on the term may. They may not also. So they may become useful in one sense that they may help us realizing a larger possible group. For example, here, if I do not consider the don't care terms, if I ignore the don't care terms totally, in that case, how many PIs will be there?
3.
3. Out of which, how many essential PIs will be there?
2.
2. And by including those 2 essential PIs, you will be realizing the function. But what will be the complexity of the function? Let me do it. Oh, here I am ignoring the don't care terms. So here the function will be, there are two essential pairs, and including considering those two essential pairs, the function will be A bar B D plus A bar B bar C. Hope আমি ঠিক লিখেছি. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now, what I am saying is, don't totally, while designing the circuit, don't totally ignore the don't care terms. Let us take help of the don't care terms if they help us in realizing a larger group. Otherwise, ignore the don't care terms. If the don't care terms do not help us in realizing any larger group, we'll ignore the don't care terms. Now, ignoring a don't care term in SOP realization means how are you treating the don't care term?
0.
If that don't care term helps us in realizing a larger possible group, consider that to be a logic 1 value. But as it is originally what a don't care term, so it really does not matter whether ultimately you are considering that to be a logic 1 or logic 0, does not matter. But if the don't care term help us in realizing a larger group, I'll consider that to be 1 in SOP. In POS, it will be just the reverse one. So here, considering the don't care term to be supporting us in realizing larger possible group, I can find out that there is no possibility of group of 16, no group of 8, but there is a possibility of group of 4. There is another possibility of group of 4. There is another possibility of group of 4. But here,
vertical আছে.
now, এবার সেটাই বলতে যাচ্ছি. Now here, while forming groups, we are not at all interested in a group which consists of only don't care terms. We shall never consider that particular group which is consisting of only don't care terms. তুমি যে ভার্টিক্যাল গ্রুপটা কথা বললে সেখানে দেখো সবকটা ডোন্ট কেয়ার টার্ম, তাই না?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, হ্যাঁ।
তো আমি সেটাকে ধরবোই না, কনসিডারই করবো না, because there is no requirement of including the don't care terms. So if they help us in realizing a larger possible group involving the actual logic 1 cells, then we will consider that, otherwise not. এর থেকে উল্টো, রিমেম্বার, এর থেকে উল্টো হবে কিন্তু পিওএস এ, সেখানে জিরোর সঙ্গে আমি অ্যাসোসিয়েট করবো ডোন্ট কেয়ার টার্মগুলোকে, এবং ডোন্ট কেয়ার টার্ম ইগনোর করা মানে হচ্ছে উই আর কনসিডারিং দ্যাট টু বি লজিক 1 ভ্যালু. Okay, so here once again, how many PIs are there? 3. And how many essential PIs are there? 2. And let me try to find out the corresponding function. So this is one essential PI. So the corresponding product term will be B D. So these two are included. Then this is the other essential PI. So that corresponding function will be A bar. Sorry. There A is changing state, B is remaining as 0, so B bar and C. So that's the function, minimized function. See, as compared to this expression is further minimized. So here, how many don't care terms you are considering to be 1?
4.
How many don't care terms you are considering to be 0? 2. Okay. So in this way, in case the don't care terms help us in realizing a larger possible group, we'll consider that as logic 1 value. Otherwise, we'll consider the don't care term as a logic 0 value while realizing the function in minimized SOP format. Minimized POS format হলে আমি রিপিট করছি, the concept will be just the reverse one. Don't care termগুলোকে 0 হিসেবে কনসিডার করব if they are helping us in realizing a larger possible group, otherwise we'll consider them to be 1. Okay. Hope this concept is clear.
Yes,
Doubt
sir.
আছে কারো? হ্যাঁ, okay. The function representation in this format specifies that specifies the input combinations for which the output is 1 and also specifies the input combination which will never arise. Plus D 8, 10, 15 means those corresponding input combinations will never arise. Now please try to realize the minimized SOP.
So 440.
আমি জানি আমি করে দেখি
440.
ওকে তাই হবে বোধহয়
Sir, 440.
Okay, fine. Let me do it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's the ones. And the don't care terms 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, fine. No group of 16 possible, no group of 8 possible, group of 4, it is there. Here is 1. Here is one more. Okay. Okay, fine. There is no other group of 4. Then pairs. Pair. This is one pair. And this is one pair. Yeah. Then 4. 4 number of pairs. And I think all 4 are essential. Fine. Thank you. So if is equal to C bar D bar, then B bar D bar, then Okay. So that's the function. Shall I move on?
Sir, 440.
Arkeo?
330.
So 440.
Okay, এবার তাহলে আমি করি 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Hope this is the map. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Now, no group of 16, no group of 8, group of 4. So group of 4 সবকটা হয়ে গেল। So 1, 2, 3, 4. So PIs are 4. But how many essential PIs?
Sir,
How many
three.
PIs are essential?
Three, sir.
Three, sir.
Two.
2, sir.
Only 2 essential PIs. This fellow,
Yes, sir. Two.
due to this one, and this fellow,
Sir, 3.
Sir, three.
আর কই আর কই
Sir, D থাকলে ওটা কনসিডার করবো না।
শুধু ডি কে তো আমার নেওয়ার কোনো দরকার নেই আমার।
আচ্ছা, sir.
Nobody has asked you to consider D as one. If that D is helping you in realizing a larger group, then I'll consider that. That's all. There
Okay,
is no
sir.
restriction that I must put into the D. So this is only
স্যার
two.
তাহলে স্যার তাহলে ডিটাকে এসেনশিয়ালি কাটিয়ে মানে কনসিডার করব না।
D, just for inclusion of the D, I am not going to consider any group. Remember, if a particular don't care cell helps us in realizing a larger possible group, then only we will consider that to be one. So my primary concern is to include all the ones, not the D's.
Yes.
Okay. So number of PI is 4, EPI is 2, and NEPI is 2.
স্যার কিন্তু মানে ডিটাকে 1 কনসিডার করেই তো আমরা গ্রুপটা বানালাম না উপরেরটা।
এবার দেখে নিই আমার ডিটাকে যদি ইনক্লুড না করি তার কোনো অসুবিধা হয় কি? As per you, if that particular D term has belongs to one essential PI, in that case, if I do not consider that PI, some cell which is where the output is 1, that will not be considered at all. Let me see. So after inclusion of these two essential PI, what are the functions becoming?
স্যার স্যার ওপরের যে কোয়াডটা নিয়েছি স্যার ওটা তো নেওয়ার কোনো দরকারই ছিল না।
কোনটা?
ওপরের যে চারটের কোয়াড নিয়েছি 1D DT
নেওয়ার দরকার ছিল না, কে বলেছে?
স্যার 1 যেটা আমার মেন কনসার্ন ওটা তো অলরেডি কভার হয়ে গেছে ওই হরাইজন্টাল কোয়াডটা দিয়ে।
বাট তোমার কি অ্যাজ পার রুল তোমার কি করতে বলা হয়েছে?
all possible
When you are
code.
in particular level, you have to explore all possible groupings in that particular level. So was that are you talking about this one or this one? Which one? কোনটাকে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার এই যে রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডে যে কোয়াডটা এসেছে
1100 corresponding cell.
হ্যাঁ 1100।
So this one, was it covered by one octet?
নো স্যার
আপনার সেল দিয়ে কভার করা হয়েছিল ওটাকে?
নো স্যার
এটা কি দিয়ে কভার করা হয়েছে?
একটা কোয়াড দিয়ে।
Quad দিয়ে. So are you finished with all the possibilities of quad formation?
নো স্যার
So you have to include consider this one also. It may come out that quad or that particular PI is not required at all.
ওকে স্যার গট ইট।
But that will come at a later stage. But আবার সেই সময় কথা শুনতে পাচ্ছ না নিশ্চয়ই?
পাচ্ছি স্যার।
একটু মাঝে কেটে গেছিল।
না ওই ফোন এসছে, মুশকিল করছে আজকে। হ্যাঁ, সো দিস এবার ডিবার, আচ্ছা, by including ever diver, I am taking care of these three cells with one. Then let me go for this one. So that will be your beaver diver. But after considering these two essential PIs, are you able to include all the ones? Are you able to include all the ones?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Which one? This fellow is there.
1100.
So for that, how many possible answers are there? How many possibilities are there?
Two.
Two. So either it will be C bar D bar, or in place of C bar D bar, you'll be having A C bar. So if you consider this, that means you are taking this particular don't care term, this particular don't care term, and this particular don't care term to be logic 1. Rather, as already this one has been considered in this group, that particular don't care term, that means if we consider this product term, that means all 4 don't care terms are being considered to be 1. But if I go for this, in that case, how many don't care terms you are considering to be 1?
2.
2. These 2 you are considering to be 0. Okay. So hope this concept is clear. নাকি এখনো ডাউট আছে?
Sir, the last 3 Ds, there we are considering AC bar.
এসি বার, ইয়া।
Okay, sir.
ওকে, আজকে একটু পুদিনা বা ইনো কিছু খেয়ে নিও, বদহজম হয়ে যেতে পারে, মানে অনেক কিছু দেওয়া হয়েছে আজকে, একটু হজম করার চেষ্টা করো।
ঠিক আছে স্যার।
আচ্ছা, মনসুর প্রবলি অ্যাবসেন্ট। আশিস পাত্র, বৈভব ইজ প্রেজেন্ট। যোগেশ তিওয়ারি,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
মুস্তাফা কামাল, সুবলিন সিং অ্যাবসেন্ট। শিফা সাহা,
Present, sir.
শাহবাজ পারভেজ ইজ প্রেজেন্ট।
Present, sir.
সুরজ মোহন সোরেন অ্যাবসেন্ট। রতিন ঘোষ অ্যাবসেন্ট। সন্দীপর্ণ বর্মন অ্যাবসেন্ট। রিয়ন সামন্ত অ্যাবসেন্ট। অঙ্কিত,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
সৌরভ সেন,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
সংগ্রাম সাহা, সাগর,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
বিপ্লব সরকার,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
মইনা প্রেজেন্ট। আয়ুষ্মান ব্রহ্ম,
ইয়েস স্যার, প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
শুদ্ধ সত্য প্রেজেন্ট। অনিকেত ঘোষ অ্যাবসেন্ট। উদ্ভাসিত প্রেজেন্ট। সৌম্যজিৎ আচার্য,
Present, sir.
অর্ণব শেঠ ইজ প্রেজেন্ট। নীলার্ঘ রয় ইজ প্রেজেন্ট। পারভেজ মল্লিক,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
আশরাফ হোসেন,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
সিনজয়,
Present, sir.
রশিদ আকবর অ্যাবসেন্ট। আরিয়ান সর্দার অ্যাবসেন্ট। অনিন্দিতা প্রেজেন্ট। পল্লব কুমার মন্ডল, প্রসেনজিৎ মন্ডল,
ইয়েস স্যার।
সোহম কাঞ্জি,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
শিল্পা মন্ডল,
Yes, sir.
অনির্বাণ নস্কর অ্যাবসেন্ট। জয়দীপ মাঝি ইজ প্রেজেন্ট। শুভজিৎ মন্ডল,
Present, sir.
মৃদুল সয়, মৃদুল অ্যাবসেন্ট। মৃত্যুঞ্জয়,
ইয়েস স্যার।
সূর্য কুমার মাঝি অ্যাবসেন্ট। নিশান্ত প্যাটেল অ্যাবসেন্ট। গুলশান পোদ্দার,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
অভিরূপ কবিরাজ,
ইয়েস স্যার।
অন্নিক,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
অরিজিৎ পাইক,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
সৌমিক,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
রাজদীপ ইজ প্রেজেন্ট। অভিরূপ সাহা,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
সৌর্য,
ইয়েস স্যার।
শ্রীতমা,
Present, sir.
হিমানিশ,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
হিমাংশু,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
বিপ্লব মহাপাত্র। ওকে, নেক্সট টিউসডে। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ।
Thank you, sir.